Hi everyone, welcome to Craft Our Paper Stash Cards. We're on the 15th of each month. A small group of us makes 5 plus or minus cards using paper from our stash. So the idea is use up some of this paper that we've been hoarding. And I did not use Stampin' Up! This time. I used 2 sheets out of this Best of Harvest kit, 12 by 12 papers. They're a little bit on the shiny side, and I used this stripe one, which reverses to these leaves, and also this candle one, which reverses to this sort of old world paper looking thing. It does have a sticker sheet. I used a few stickers. The sentiments didn't really wow me on most of them, but one or two of the sheets in here don't reverse, and these reverse as shown. So I didn't use the plaid this time. I didn't use these leaves, but I did use both of these, front and back, or whatever, and front and back on these two. All right, so that, and then I used one sheet, part of one sheet out of this. This wasn't even open yet. It was a hot buy from Michael's. Let's see. They're both are from 2016, and I used the sort of maroon color, which has different leaves on, just as a background for one or two of the cards. And that's it for the paper. So I made 6 cards, and I kept them very simple, and I haven't done the inside yet, but I'll just lay them out here. This one uses a sticker. This one uses a sticker on top, a piece of paper that is the back of one of the other sheets, and then this is a sticker. And then this trim is from Stampin' Up! It's in the August to December mini. It's the cherry cobbler and gold on page 17. It goes with the Sweet Stocking Suite. And this is also Stampin' Up! It's the Simply Elegant trim, which is in the annual catalog, page 140, the catalog for 21-22. It's also on page 68 to 69. It's part of the Simply Elegant suite. So let me put them over here. And these dots, let's see, I think on both cards, one set of row here and this here. These are the matte decorative dots. They're like an ombre, and they're in cherry cobbler, evening evergreen, and old olive. So I used cherry cobbler. I used the yellow. I don't know if that's supposed to be bumblebee or I'm not sure, crushed curry maybe, I don't know, but I used them on here with the crushed curry card base, and old olive is part of it. They're on page 31 of the August to December mini. I also used them on one of them on this card. Here's a piece of that texture paper, a piece of the other paper, and this is the reverse side of these two are the reverse side of the stripe, or the other way around, I'm not sure. This is cherry cobbler cardstock, and cherry cobbler cardstock here with just one of those dots. And here we have the candles. This You're Such a Blessing is a Stampin' Up! Little Delights. It's in the August to December mini catalog, page 59. It's just a standalone stamp set, and I used this You're Such a Blessing. And then these two are on cherry cobbler, these two are on crushed curry, and these last two are on old olive. So here I used the stripe with a little piece of the leaf left over, some of the cherry cobbler and gold. This is bumped up on Stampin' Up! Dimensionals. And then I used these other dots, which are the brushed metallic adhesive back dots, and I used these here, down here, and here, because I thought they closely resemble the old olive color. You can see this paper is like a shiny finish, which I'm not crazy about, but oh well. And then here, this is a sticker out of the sticker pack, put on a piece of this, the back of this paper, bumped up on Stampin' Up! Dimensionals with just a little gold bow. Now, on this one, and this one, I use these, and this one too. Instead of Stampin' Up! Dimensionals, I've had these sticky dots from Paper Studio, Hobby Lobby. They're really thick. I don't really care for them. Those are 2015. But I didn't start papercrafting until 2017, so they must have had them in the store at that point. Anyway, those are my 6 cards, getting ready for fall. I didn't spend a lot of time on them, obviously. And all I'm going to do on the inside is put some very vanilla cardstock. I might take and stamp this little leaf thing on some of them, because they do have leaves on them in a coordinating color. So, you know, I'll just put a piece of very vanilla inside and stamp a little leaf on it, and then that'll be some of my fall cards. I don't usually send too many cards for fall, other than there's a couple birthdays in fall. So anyway, that's all I have. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check everyone else out in the links below. I am listing still Stamp Girl, who is Paige, but she won't be posting this month, possibly not next month. I don't know yet. But do check everyone else out. I did see that some people did post, and I'm a little late getting my post up today, so I do apologize, but at least I have it on the 15th. Alright guys, thanks. Have a great day and a great week. Bye for now.